In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create an SEO-friendly article about the best budget smartphones for the year 2025 using Perplexity AI. Let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and productive. First, we need to launch Perplexity AI. This can easily be done by visiting perplexity.ai on your web browser or simply opening the app if you have it installed. Once you're on the platform, the next step is to initiate a new thread. To do this, click on the search bar where you can type in the topic of your blog or article. For this example, let's go with Write an SEO-friendly article about the best budget smartphones 2025. This starting point helps frame our content and guides the rest of the process. With your topic in place, the next move involves crafting a detailed outline for your article. In Perplexity, you can achieve this by prompting the system to create a blog outline with H1, H2, and H3 headings for SEO about best budget smartphones 2025. Doing this generates a structured format with proper headings, essentially giving you a comprehensive roadmap of your article and ensuring that your content remains organized and easy to navigate for readers. Now, it's time to delve deeper and generate the content, section by section. Choose one heading from the outline you've just created. For instance, you might select a heading like H2, Top Features to Look For in Budget Smartphones. Then ask Perplexity to write 150 words for H2, Top Features to Look For in Budget Smartphones, SEO Optimized. This step allows you to develop each section with focused content, keeping SEO in mind to improve search engine visibility. As we move along, it's crucial to incorporate relevant keywords into your content to enhance its search engine performance. Prompt the AI with Suggest SEO Keywords for Best Budget Smartphones 2025. It will provide useful keyword suggestions like Cheap Smartphones 2025, Affordable Phones, and Top Budget Android. Remember to integrate these keywords naturally into your text to maintain the flow of your writing without sacrificing readability. Next, we address the crucial components of your article's title and meta description. You can ask Perplexity to suggest an SEO-optimized title and meta description for this article. An example title could be Best Budget Smartphones 2025, Top Affordable Picks Under $300, and a meta description might look like this. Discover the best budget smartphones in 2025 with great features at low prices. Perfect guide for affordable phone seekers. This step not only encapsulates the essence of your article, but also makes it attractive for search engine results. Finally, with your article written, take the time to review and polish your work. Carefully read through your content, ensuring that it flows logically and smoothly, and make any necessary edits. This final review helps to catch any errors or awkward phrasing and ensures that your article is ready for publication. Following these steps, you should now have a well-structured, SEO-friendly article ready to go.